So today on the Fixit Shed, I've got a 2012 Ford Focus, and it has one side marker light that's working and one that is not. So we're going to replace the side marker light. So directly behind the light that is burned out, there is a little rubber cover. But if you remove that, you still can't really reach anything back here. And it's really kind of tight and hard to get to. So you don't really have the access that you need. So fortunately, there is a screw here and a screw here, which will allow us to move the headlight out. All right, so this is just a T30 Torx bit I'm going to use to loosen these. Okay. All right. The screws also have a flat slot in them so that you could use a regular flat screwdriver. Alright, so this is still connected to the wiring harness. You probably don't need to remove that in order to get this, but I'm going to disconnect it just for the sake of making the video a little bit easier. And to do that, you just want to insert a screwdriver in here. You can twist it a little bit just so that it moves out. You don't break it. Don't go too far. Whee! Come on. There it goes. And then you can unplug it. Alright, this is going to be kind of hard to do because it's kind of a tight space. But we're going to try and do this so that you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. So you just need a long enough screwdriver, a long thin screwdriver. Okay, and that fits into one of the sides of the plug. Alright, and you're going to push it in, and you're very gently going to turn it. You don't want to break the plug. And you can see the light housing turned, and then you can pull it out. Come on. Okay. And that's out. Alright, so we're going to be replacing it with the 168 NA Long Life Amber bulbs. So pulling the old one out. Okay, I'm just going to pluck. Alright. Putting the new one in, I don't like to touch bulbs if I don't have to, because the oil on your hands can leave hot spots, and that can shorten the life of the bulb. For these bulbs, it probably doesn't matter as much, but certainly like headlamps, which get hot, very hot, you want to avoid getting fingerprints on them. But yeah. I'm just going to try and be careful with this one as well. There. New bulb in place. Now, putting it back in, I'm going to try and do the same thing here. I'm going to kind of wedge the screwdriver in here. There we go. And use that to direct it back down into its slot here. Come on, go in. we go. That's back in, and then you turn it. Come on. Being very gentle again because you don't want to break the housing, the plug that the bulb fits into. There it goes. Now it's in place. So instinctually I would say, oh, I can use a pair of needle nose pliers. I can reach in, grab the plug, turn it, and pull it out. The problem is once you grab a hold of it, the top of the casing here kind of makes it difficult for you to turn the pliers. Another method that I saw was somebody using a small 10mm wrench, and you could put that in there and put it on around the plug and turn it. I didn't have much success with that either. I found the screwdriver trick, even though there is a potential for breaking the socket that the light bulb is plugged into, it seemed to be the most effective for removing it. All right, let's see if we can fit this back into place. There it goes. Alright, so the right side is done. Left side's actually looking a little bit dim, and before I lose the second bulb in the pack, I'm going to go ahead and replace that one as well. All right, so now they're both in. As you saw, the left side was a little bit different, the way the wiring was for the lights. I couldn't pull the light out of the small hole. I actually had to fish it out through the headlight hole and change it and then kind of fish it back in. So so you're aware, it is a little bit different. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.